Pedro's on his feet and his father beats him because he's too tired to beg. Pedro's has 9 brothers and sisters, brought up on their knees. It's hard to run when a coat hanger beats you on the thighs. Pedro dreams being older, killing the old man. That's a slim chance. He's going to the boulevard. Going up on the dirty boulevard. He's going out to the dirty boulevard. He's going down to the dirty boulevard. This room costs $2,000 a month. You can believe it, man, it's true. Somewhere a landlord's laughing until he wets his pants. No one dreams of being a doctor or a lawyer or anything. They dream of dealing on the dirty boulevard. Give me you're hungry, you're tired, you're poor. I'll piss on them, that's what this natural bigotry says. You're poor auto masters, let's club them to death. Just get it over with and dump them on the boulevard. He's going up on the dirty boulevard. He's going out to the dirty boulevard. He's going down to the dirty boulevard. Going out. Outside it's a bright night. There's an opera at Lincoln Center, and movie stars arrive by limousine. The bleak lights shoot up over the skyline of Manhattan, but the lights are out on the mean streets. A small kid stands by the Lincoln Tunnel. He's selling plastic roses for $1. The traffic's backed up to 39th Street, and the TV whores are pulling the cops out for a suck. Back at the wheelchair, Pedro sits there dreaming. He's found a book on magic in a garbage can.